Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you hate dirty screens? Well, so do I, but I'm always so nervous because I don't feel like I have the right solution to clean those nasty screens. I'm so happy that I received this screen cleaning product from Better Life. But what makes this even more amazing is that it's plant-based. So it's non-toxic. It's safe to use around kids and pets, which was really important to me. I've made a pledge to take out all the toxic chemicals in our house. So having this plant-based screen cleaner has been awesome. It is amazing. It says on the front, naturally smudge punching. And seriously, I was amazed at how quickly it wiped off all those nasty fingerprints that have been on my screen forever. It comes with 2 of these microfiber cloths and it's so easy to use. So let's see it in action. All you have to do is take the cleaner, spray your microfiber cloth just like this, and then you can see here all those nasty fingerprints on this device. So now that I've sprayed my microfiber cloth, I'm just gonna buff it in a circular motion to get those fingerprints off. Just like that, and in just a couple seconds, look how nice and crystal clear that is. The other thing which I think is really super cool is it says Better Life is family owned and super proud of it. I love supporting a family owned business when I can. So I think that's really awesome when it comes to this Better Life screen cleaner. If it's time to clean all those screens in your home, definitely try this Better Life screen cleaner. That's my point of view.